1. What is the primary purpose of employee benefits in an organization? A. To increase employee retention. B. To reduce company expenses. C. To enhance employee satisfaction and engagement. D. To comply with legal requirements. 2. Which of the following best describes the cafeteria plan in employee benefits? A. A plan that provides employees with a fixed benefit allowance to choose from a menu of benefit options. B. A plan that only includes health insurance. C. A retirement savings plan designed for public sector employees. D. A program where employees receive meals as a benefit. 3. Which of the following is the primary responsibility of a CEBS in relation to compliance? A. To create new employee benefit programs. B. To ensure compliance with federal and state regulations related to employee benefits. C. To monitor employee performance in relation to benefits. To manage payroll processing. 4. What is the minimum age for employees to qualify for Medicare under the current U.S. regulations? A. 60. C. D. 5. Which of the following is a key factor in determining eligibility for participation in a defined benefit pension plan? A. The number of years of service with the employer. B. The employee's income level. C. The employee's age at the time of hire. D. The number of dependents the employee has. 6. In a defined contribution plan, who bears the investment risk? A. The employer. B. The government. C. The employee. D. The insurance company. 7. Which of the following is an example of a non-qualified employee benefit plan? A. 401. B. Health Savings Account HSA. C. Executive Bonus Plan. D. Traditional Pension Plan. 8. Under the Affordable Care Act ACA, which of the following is required for employers with 50 or more full-time employees? A. Provide health insurance coverage. B. Provide life insurance coverage. C. Offer paid parental leave. D. Pay a penalty if health insurance is not provided. 9. What is the key advantage of offering a wellness program as part of employee benefits? A. It increases employee turnover. B. It helps employees improve their health and reduce healthcare costs. C. It reduces the employer's tax liability. D. It decreases the cost of retirement benefits. 10. Which of the following employee benefits is most commonly included in a cafeteria plan? A. Health insurance. Paid time off. Vacation days. D. Group life insurance. 11. How are the contributions to a health savings account treated for tax purposes? A. They are taxed as income. B. They are tax-free. C. They are tax-deferred. D. They are subject to Social Security taxes. 12. Which of the following best describes ERISA in the context of employee benefits? A. A law governing the management of private pension plans and other employee benefits. B. A federal tax regulation that sets limits on health benefits. C. A retirement program for employees of the federal government. D. A tax credit for employers offering health insurance. 13. The Family and Medical Leave Act, FMLA, provides employees with the right to take unpaid leave for which of the following reasons? A. Employee injury or illness. B. To care for a newborn child. C. To attend a job-related conference. D. For vacation purposes. 14. Which of the following benefits is typically provided through an employer's group life insurance plan? A. Disability income. B. Supplemental health insurance. C. Death benefits. D. Pension benefits. 15. What is the primary function of a pension plan? A. To provide employees with current income. B. To provide employees with future retirement income. C. To ensure that employees have access to health care. D. To offer paid time off for personal use. 16. In which of the following scenarios would an employee be eligible for COBRA continuation coverage? A. The employee has been terminated from the company. B. The employee has reached retirement age. C. The employee has been promoted. D. The employee leaves the company to start a business. 17. The 401k plan is primarily designed to provide employees with A. A fixed income during retirement. B. A way to save and invest for retirement. C. Life insurance coverage. D. Health insurance during retirement. 18. Which of the following is a requirement for a company to be subject to the Family and Medical Leave Act, FMLA? A. The company must have fewer than 10 employees. B. The company must have more than 50 employees working within a 75-mile radius. C. The company must be publicly traded. D. The company must provide health benefits. 19. In which of the following situations would an employee be entitled to receive paid family leave under the FMLA? A. To care for a sick parent. B. To attend a wedding. C. To take a vacation. D. To attend a professional development course. 20. What is one of the most common features of a defined benefit pension plan? A. Employer contribution limits. B. Guaranteed retirement income based on a set formula. C. Employee managed investment choices. Portability between jobs. 21. Which of the following is an example of a statutory employee benefit? A. Paid vacation. B. Health insurance. C. Social Security benefits. D. Profit sharing. 22. In terms of regulatory compliance, who is responsible for reporting employee benefit plan information to the Department of Labor? A. The employee. B. The plan administrator. C. The employer's HR department. The benefit providers. 23. Under the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, which type of healthcare plan is required to meet specific benefit and coverage standards? A. Qualified health plans. B. High deductible health plans. C. Catastrophic health plans. D. Employer-sponsored health plans. 24. Which of the following is not considered an employee benefit under U.S. federal law? A. Health insurance. B. Retirement contributions. C. Pay for overtime. D. Paid holidays. 25. What is the maximum contribution limit for an employee to a 401k plan in 2025 as determined by the IRS? A. $19,500. B. $20,000. C. $22,500. 26,000. 26. What is the key advantage of offering employees stock options as part of their compensation? A. It allows employees to contribute to the pension plan. B. It provides tax-free income. C. It gives employees the opportunity to buy company stock at a reduced price. D. It guarantees long-term employment. 27. Which type of health insurance plan allows employees to choose their healthcare providers, but may require higher out-of-pocket costs? A. Health Maintenance Organization, HMO. B. Preferred Provider Organization, PPO. C. Exclusive Provider Organization, EPO. D. Point of service. 28. What is a key factor in determining whether an employer must offer paid sick leave under federal law? A. The size of the company. B. The number of sick days an employee uses each year. The employee's age. D. The employee's position. 29. Which of the following is true regarding the taxation of health benefits provided under an employer-sponsored plan? A. All health benefits are tax-exempt. B. Some benefits, such as health insurance, may be tax-free for employees. C. Only preventive health benefits are tax-exempt. D. Health benefits are always fully taxed as income. 30. What does voluntary benefits refer to in an employee benefits program? A. Benefits that employees can choose to participate in, but are not required to. B. Benefits that are required by law. C. Benefits that the employer pays for in full. D. Benefits provided only to senior employees. 31. Which of the following is a key component of an employee wellness program? A. Paid time off for exercise. B. Subsidized gym memberships. C. Higher salary rates. Paid vacation days. 32. The Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act, COBRA, applies to which of the following? A. Health insurance continuation for employees and their families after employment ends. B. Retirement savings continuation after employment ends. C. Disability benefits continuation after employment ends. D. Vacation benefits continuation after employment ends. 33. What is the role of the Employee Benefits Security Administration, EBSA? A. To manage employer contributions to retirement plans. B. To enforce compliance with the Affordable Care Act. C. To oversee private sector employee benefit plans. To calculate pension benefits. 34. How is the 401k plan different from the 403b plan? A. 401k plans are for government employees, while 403b plans are for private sector employees. B. 401k plans are funded by the government, while 403b plans are employer-sponsored. C. 403b plans are for nonprofit and public sector employees, while 401k plans are for private sector employees. D. There is no difference. 35. Which of the following is a key characteristic of a profit-sharing plan? A. It provides a fixed retirement income. It requires both employer and employee contributions. C. The employer shares a portion of the company's profits with employees. D. It allows employees to choose their